Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Adam with NEEDSWINGS. So we're out here in Orlando with the SLK32. So we got the car out here. If you've seen the previous videos, we did headers, we did all that stuff. So it should be making okay power. Right now it's not super hot, super cold right now. So it's roughly in the 60-degree weather right now, give or take. So we'll see how the track does, but man, it is hootenanny packed here. There is about like well over 200 cars easily. As you can see, I'm number 157, and there was lines back behind me. So we'll hang out here, we'll see how we're gonna do, and see what happens. All right, so we're gonna start with the PSI. I'm gonna have the tires. I dropped it down to roughly 15, or 15, 16, which is not too crazy, but it should be good for these, and hopefully we'll hook up. I'm gonna do a couple of hits. Maybe we'll adjust the pressure, add some more, lower some more, but this is usually a pretty good track, so the prep should be good. All right, guys, so now it's roughly 2:10. We've been here for roughly 4 hours. We haven't done one run nothing. A guy crashed his bike. They had to airlift him out. We came back here for a little bit just because staging lanes are crazy right now, so we're hoping to get one run today. I'm not really going to be trying anything. The car, it's definitely a lot hotter out. Now it's 77 degrees, so it's hotter outside, so we got no ice, no nothing. We're going to see what the car does. I got like no faith we're going to go faster than like a 12 today. Maybe. I'll be happy with a 12.0. If anyone knows the previous best on this car was a 12.1. Since then we did like headers and throttle body and stuff like that. But it's so hot out here and there's so many people. Most likely it's going to be in the staging lanes, just like sitting there overheating the car. So we're going to go up there, we're going to get in the staging lanes and see what happens.
On a Corvette. 1154, 125 for What's up? The Pintos in the house. Now that's not the Ford crash to the back of the catch on fire Pintos. That's the Pinto family down here.
All right, we're gonna be going against a SS Camaro or a ZL1. I don't know exactly what it is, but we'll try to do a small little burnout. It's 75 degrees out. Our air intake temps are like 6 over right now, so we'll see what happens. So we didn't launch the car, we didn't do anything crazy, we just kind of went into it. Didn't do that crazy of burnout. We hit 20.2 PSI on that one. Our air intake temp is like 84 right now. So we definitely are a little bit hot because we were just in there chilling. There's no ice, no nothing. So we'll see what our time. Thank you. Yep. We did. Holy poop. Did I just do 11.6 at 119? Holy potatoes.
Did you look at the ticket already?
Oh yeah, we went a lot faster. So this is by far faster than I ever thought this car was going to be doing today. So let's go over it a little bit. So before I show you the time, so basically the car, it's 76 degrees out right now, roughly. My air intake temps were in the 90s because I was literally sitting in the staging lanes and all that stuff for a stupid amount of time. I do a crappy burnout, and I don't launch the car. So just remember, that's all the background. So I hit it, I'm going against a ZL1 Camaro. Whatever he has done to it, I don't really know. I hook up okay, because I was rolling into it, and I hook up okay, so then I give it the beans. We're driving, we're having some fun. I trap it, I was like, man, that felt kind of cool. My AFRs are good. My boost is basically 20.2. Pretty average. I go look at my air intake temps again. It's not cold, remember, this is no ice, no nothing. One run, sitting in all the staging lanes, all that drama, and we did a 11.6 trapping 120. If I launch this, and look at my 60 foot's a 1.7, so not best. I could actually have launched this. This car could easily do, I think, 11.4. Yep. If I do ice, I could drop this down pretty quick. It sucks, we can't go back out. I mean, we could, but right now it's 240. There's easily 200 cars. We maybe get one more hit in 2 hours. So we're gonna call it a day and head home, but this is super, super good. I'm very happy with it. I need a big thanks out to VTech with tuning the car. A big thanks from Rob from NEEDSWINGS. He got me a lot of the parts of the car. Really good people. I'll put a link below. And for you guys who don't really know, this is my SLK32. It's running a 65mm pulley. That's it for boost. 82mm throttle body and long tube headers. The throttle body setup is from NEEDSWINGS. The headers are from Moscow. I made a whole videos about installing all these parts, and everything else is just cooling. So right there, we're doing 11.6s. Rolling into it. No launch, no nothing. Heat soaked. Nothing really crazy. And this car did really well. We could definitely pick up a lot of power with ice. I think, in my personal opinion, I could get this down to 11.4 before I add any more boost. If I had any more boost, this would be a 10-second car all day. So, super, super happy. Alright guys, hopefully you liked the video. So it was unfortunate we only got one hit out that day. It wasn't the soapest coldest day, it wasn't the hottest day, but as you saw, we rolled into the car, and even if you listen to the video of my hit, you could literally just go and see me roll into it. I think the car has a lot of potential still left into it. We're going to try to go back to the track, I think, not this Friday, but next Friday. The unfortunate thing is this time of year, the track's closed a lot for the holidays. We're going to try to just take the car right back to the track without doing any more mods to the car. Just to kind of like see if we could beat that. And then maybe we'll mod it a little bit more. Maybe do some more suspension components. And do some maybe more boost. I'll see about that. But right now I'm super happy how the car came out. Big thanks to everyone who helped me with the car and getting parts and all that stuff. But if you guys like the video, comment, throw a like down there. If you guys got any questions, you could contact me on Instagram at BuffyCLK500. Now, I don't always get back to everyone because I do get a real lot of messages, but I try to help everyone out. But if you throw a comment down, I try to answer a lot of the comments too. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. There's going to be more SLK content. And yes, there's going to be a lot more of the CLS55. A couple people want to ask me about that. Where the next video, maybe in the next video or the video after, we're modifying the CLS55 because we're going to do a rematch of the SLK32 and the CLS55. We're going to see if we could change the tune and do a couple little performance mods to see if it could actually keep up with the SLK this time. But thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.